and focus on results. So actually the leader plays a big part in this one because they set this tone for what they expect from the teams and what type of rewards come from that. Remember, the teams that are willing to commit to publicly of what they can deliver are more likely to be passionate and desire to achieve those results. So important of communicating in the transparency for what the team is working on by them. Leaders also must recognize employees for what they actually do, for those actual results. So it's really important to recognizing those top achievers, those top performers, even if it's just verbally. It doesn't have to be like a monetary reward. Maybe it's like a shout out or accolade to the employee over email. That goes a long way. And so think of that as a leader to boost the morale and also improve on this focus on results area, and also recognizing those employees.
Let's take a quick recap. First, the absence of trust can wreak havoc on team dynamics. Then the fear of conflict, which can stifle creativity and growth.